Hello, everyone. We are still in addition trick. We are not done with addition trick. There are so many things we need to, do here. So, but this time around, we're looking at how to add any number base in 5 seconds, right? Like we have it here on the board: 243 base 5 plus 143 base 5. The answer is 441 base 5. 441 base 5. So, 845 base 9. The answer is what? 1782 base 9. So the importance of this trick is it's going to help you to handle most of your objective questions. So with this trick, you don't have to pass through the process of converting this to base 10 before you can arrive to this. So with the trick, you will just get straight to your answer without the stress. But before I review the secret to you, please, if you are new to this channel, help me subscribe, like, and share. Make sure you recommend this to some person, to a lot to students, because this is an academic hub. We have been bringing some of those tricks that is going to help you handle your objective questions with ease without spending much time you consume in answering those questions. So let's dive into the secret fully. Now, this is number base, right? So when we say number base, like we taught in secondary school, you were told that the number base will have base 9, base 10, whatever. Now, what do you really understand by that number base? The system of counting that is peculiar, that is unique. The system of counting that is unique to a particular continent or people. The symbols they are using to represent numbers, right? So if we say we have base 10, that means the only symbols we are using to represent number for base 10 are from 0 to 9, right? So you have from 0 to 9. So all those symbols, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all of them are represented in that counting system, like you're seeing on the screen. All of them are represented in that counting system. But if you are in base 9, for example, also it is still the same thing. So that means from 0, if you look at the number, the symbols we are using to represent numbers, they are just from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? That is for base 9, meaning that once we get to 8, we'll jump to the other numbers. So from 8 we get to 10 because 9 is not in the counting. 9, they don't have 9 because the symbols we are using to represent numbers are just 9 symbols. That is from 0 to 8. So that is how it goes all through to base 1 equals. So in this kind of a question now, since I've seen it's base 5, I'll count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, I'm using 5 symbols to represent numbers. So once I get to 4, the next number that will come is the pairing now, which is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And once I get to 14, I should go straight to 20, right? And so on and so forth. So look at it. I'm avoiding from 5, 6, 7, and of course base. That's why we write them in words. They're not in number because we don't have symbols. If you belong to this continent where they use only 4 symbols for a number, they don't have any symbol for 5. So that is why it's written as 5 in your question. So now, if I want to add this, so I have 2, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3. All I need to do is to do what? So 3 plus 4. Now, remember your number line. Going forward is addition. Going backward is what? Subtraction, if you remember. Going forward is addition. Going backward is what? Subtraction. So if I have 3 plus 5, what do I do? So from 3, I have to count 3 forward, right? 3 plus 3. So I have to count 3 forward. Wherever I stop is the plus. So 3 plus 3 will be 3. Then 1, 2, 3. So my answer here is what? 11. I'll write 1, carry 1. Put the 1 here, carry 1. Then the next is what? 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 means I have to count from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 13. 13 plus this one, 14. I'll write 4, carry 1. Then the next is what? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is what? 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus that one that I left, that I carried, right? Will give me 4. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is there. So also applicable to this. So for base 9, remember I say we're going to avoid any symbol. You don't have any. If you belong in this continent, you don't have any symbol for 9. You only have 9 in words because that is the count, the number of symbol number of symbols you're using to count, to do your counting. So in this case, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because we don't have symbol on that. So from 8 is already completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the next will appear 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, right? Then the next is what? 20, and so on and so forth. So when you're adding this now, how do you add them? 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is what? You say 6 plus 5 So we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 12. I'll write 2. Carry 1, right? Carry 1. Now, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is what? 4 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 7. Plus that one that I kept 8. You like the 8. Then 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is what? So from 8 plus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus that one we kept. 7. So that's the answer is 16. 8 plus 7 is 16. Plus that one I kept 17. So that's 17 here. That's all. So thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, share. We're going to solve a lot of problems, number system. I'm going to be bringing a lot of things to you, but to help me do that, thank you for watching.